These are the avocado all chopped off. So I'm gonna be saving the seed. These are the previous seed I've been saving. What I do when they get dry, I blend them, put them in my yogurt, in my cereal, in my porridge in the morning. So I'm gonna be bringing out the seed. I don't throw the seed away. The seed are very pack of nutrition. Look. So I'm gonna scoop them, put them in the pan here. Okay, guys, scoop all of them, put them in the pan. So this is the avocado oil cooking. That is the avocado oil cooking. It's nearly done now, so I'm gonna tip it now and put in the container. And that is the container where it's going to be sieved and get the oil out. That is it there. Okay, guys, it's all done. Look at it. Look at it. You see? Just look here. Look at the oil. And you see the oil? You see the oil? The avocado oil. See the color? So when it is cooled, I'm gonna put it in the jar. You can use it to cook mayonnaise, put in your hair, put in your cream, put in your body to to moisturize your skin, your hair. You can put it in your salad, your anything at all. So it does a lot of things. It can be your cream, your face cream, your hair cream, your skin, to moisturize it, to use it to dress your salad, use it to marinate your meat, your chicken, and roast it, and grill your fish in the oven. So guys, keep subscribing and stay blessed. Stay blessed, guys. My avocado oil is ready. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye. Hello, guys. My avocado oil is ready to be tipping into the bowl. Can you see it there? So that is it. It has cooled a bit. This is really yummy for roasted yam. Oh my gosh! Thank God I got this. What's it called? I got my air fryer. I'll be roasting yam, roast fish. This oil, oh, this oil is rich, man. Guys, it's rich. Give it a go. Try it. Give it a go. Look. Oh, this is not gonna be wasted. I will use this to make a stew or fry an egg. Look. Can you see it? Can you look at my avocado oil? It's ready, guys. Ready. Can you see it? It's dropping in there. Look. It's all done. Oh, this is lovely. If you use this to eat roast here, man. Oh, look at what I got. Look, my avocado oil is ready. So guys, keep subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment below the Conco bell. Subscribe and share me out to your community and put on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the #1 to see my ding dong bell and watch a new upload. And thank you and bye. Everybody, today I'm gonna be doing avocado oil. This is the avocado, the 2 avocado I've got in the kitchen. That is my saucepan. That is my wooden spoon to stir it. That is the olive oil I'm gonna be using. I've got the already made one I bought from the supermarket. This is the avocado oil. I bought it about £3 something. So it's just nearly finished now and I really like it. And I just thought to myself, yeah, I can make this. Why not? So let's give it a go. Let's crack on, guys.